We'll guide you through how to fix TikTok not showing videos to others. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and you're finding your video is not getting shown to others. We'll guide you through some different settings you can try changing to go and fix this, and also go and explain why it may be happening. Make sure it's full video and don't skip anything, as it's important information throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's get into this. So for the first setting you want to go and check is you want to go and tap on the video or post. Then what you need to do is go to the bottom right and go and press the three dots like so. Next, you want to go and scroll down at the bottom. And you want to go and find the option for privacy settings and tap there. Make sure you go and select everyone. If you only set it to friends or only you, that's why others can't go and see it and it's not being shown. So make sure it's set to everyone, like so. Next, what you want to do is come back to your profile here, and you can press profile on the bottom right, press the three lines in the top right, then you can go down and find settings and privacy. Now you want to come into the account section and find the option for privacy, and you want to go and tap there like so. Make sure your account is not set to a private account and this is switched on. If your account is set to private, then what this means is that only users that you approve can follow you and will be able to go and watch and see your content. So make sure you go and switch that off like so. So now it will be visible to the public. So go and see if that goes and resolves the problem. If you're finding that the videos are set to public, your account is set to public, but they're just stuck on 0, this can be the case is when you've just gone and first posted it. It can take a bit of time potentially for TikTok to go and start showing it to people. So do just be patient. Also, if you've just gone and made your TikTok account and it's a brand new account, TikTok don't go and push your video loads just as it is a new account. So what you want to do is just go and prove that you are a real human and not just a bot, as it is sort of a security feature TikTok uses, I guess you could call it. So what you want to do is just go and use TikTok as you usually would. Go through, watch videos, but essentially you just need to go and start using the account more. That should be it, and hopefully then it'll start getting shown to people. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We post them every single day. I look forward to help you again in the future. Goodbye for now.